Nuts Network. Welcome back to the channel. We are here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We are 2 weeks away from HHN happening. We are here to get some updates for y'all and just have some general fun, right?
Yeah!
All right.
It's been a hot minute since we've been to the Universal Studios Hollywood.
Yeah, we're trying to save our moolah because we are actually going to Universal Orlando in 4 weeks, actually. Exciting stuff. So enjoy our journey today. Getting a look at some HHN build right now. Lots have changed since we've been here last. It looks like they even added more power over here for the mazes. Some serious stuff going on here. Tech room, mask and makeup room, and a break room. Cool stuff. I'm gonna go walk over there and get a different look. So Mary thinks that is gonna be Pandora's box right there. She's like, that's totally Pandora's box. And then over here is, oh, that sign's in the way. The Haunting of Hill House. Cool. Exciting. 2 weeks to go, y'all. 2 weeks. All right, different view of everything over here. There's the Haunting of Hill House facade entrance. They got the Scream Guard walls put up. Cool. They're getting all the queues ready. Yeah. 2 weeks to go, HHN. But yeah, Mary thinks that's Pandora's box. She doesn't know for sure, but she thinks. Right, Mary?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now we are gonna make our way towards the park. So in LA County, it is required to still wear masks while indoors. I mean, we're technically not indoors, kinda, right? We're in a parking garage, but we do got some masks. They're from Florida.
And they have Frankenstein's monster on them.
Yeah. They're getting ready. Exciting. The park closes early today. 10 to 6 p.m. So they can get ready for HHN. Look at all the Super Mario merchandise. Luigi, my fave. So cool. Oh my god, I want something. Look at the hats. I want something. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh. Mary, I'm going insane of all the cool stuff in here.
Yes!
So cool. There's Peach. Oh man, Mario Kart stuff. So cool. I could spend all the monies over here. This is a hat, you guys. Look at that. It's a Yoshi hat. And look at the hoodies, the zip-up hoodies, Mary.
Oh yeah, those are cool.
Did you see? Look, yeah, look at Player 1.
Yeah.
And then there's a Player 2 shirt. Look at the Luigi's.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I could spend so much money today. The hats are cool too. I like this hat. I know, we're getting this before Orlando, guys. Can you believe that? We're getting Super Nintendo World before Orlando, Florida. We're actually wearing our 1, 2, 3. We got these masks from Florida.
Well, online.
But online.
Yeah.
But they came from Florida. The
Florida.
Anyways, this stuff is cool, guys. All the Super Nintendo merch. Let's get a wide view of it all. Awesome. All right, let's take a look at that HHN prep. Cool. So these things are normally called the fire towers. They haven't had fire towers in a while. Everyone's speculating that they're coming back. We shall see in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks. Are you excited, Mary?
I'm excited.
So this area is themed to Dante's Inferno. Cool little bar theme going on over there. Cool. More HHN signs. I think The Walking Dead is offered, so Walking Dead must be still in live and kicking back there. Mary was messing with Snowball. Snowball's up there. Where is he? There he is. I don't want to go over there. He'll harass me.
Sacrificing my skin health, well, my fur health, I should say.
I like your ears.
You know what? Thank you. I got them brushed the other day, and it made a huge difference. A huge difference.
Snowball, there's some spooky things over there.
Do you want me to go over there and see what's about?
Do you like spooky things?
It depends. It depends on how spooky it is.
It looks spooky, ooky. Spooky.
Oh, spooky. Ah! I'm gonna have to go check it out. But a lot later after my patrol shift, then I'll let you know.
Awesome.
Yeah, I got you. You have a good day, okay?
You too, Snowball.
Yeah.
They are decorating for Plaza de los Muertos. They're calling it Plaza de los Muertos.
Plaza de los Muertos.
Plaza de los Muertos. Right there, it says it. Get down, camera. Right there. Ah, the flags are blocking it. But yeah, they're getting ready for HHN, y'all. 2 weeks to go. Exciting. Haunt season's coming. Now let's take a look at the Bride of Frankenstein's Lives facade. Ooh, this is nice. That looks cool. Exciting. I'm getting hungry. More Halloween Horror Nights stuff over here.
What?
More Halloween Horror Nights stuff.
Murdy announced this at Midsummer Scream. It's going to be a female classic monster scare zone.
There's a minion out.
I saw it was open
It's
from 11 to 3.
Oh, there's the exit right here for the maze. That's the exit for the maze. They'll have you go right towards the scare zone over there. Whoa. He's making noises. We'll go on Despicable Me.
Yeah.
Despicable Me. We haven't been on this one in a while. They used to build HHN mazes over there. Yeah, over there. Right, Mary? Mary said they used to always build mazes around here. Cheat cheat sheet. I don't know if you can hear me. It's loud in here. I love how they themed those speakers right there to look like bombs, drop bombs. It's one of my favorite things that they've themed.
Now we're Brooklyn, honey. Yeah. Do you live in Hell's Kitchen? Do you live in New York? Yeah. Oh, okay. I forgot. I see some.
Like Hell's Pantry here. What's that?
We are gonna go head to City Walk to get some food. We are on a budget today. Because vacation in 4 weeks. We want all that spending money for Florida.
Like save money now and then spend it all when we go to Florida.
Yeah, pretty much. We're gonna drop
Sorry, California economy.
the famous,
Jump in it.
the famous iconic water fountain for Universal Studios Hollywood.
It's such a hot day. I want to just like woo.
Right? It's warm today. There used to be a restaurant right here.
It used to be so good. The ultimate place to do Halloween Horror Nights pre-gaming. It was called Saddle Ranch, and they had these awesome burgers, these giant cotton candies. The food was really good, and they just got rid of it. And it's like, why?
So now,
Why?
all there is a whole lot of nothing.
A whole lot of trees.
Dirt. Well, behind there, it's just dirt. They literally tore down the building. So there's no building whatsoever. It's just a fence, lights, and trees now to block it. Maybe one day they'll build something there. Time will tell. Theme parks are always evolving. Oh, look there. You can see right now. It's just grass. Mary is getting KFC. She loves her pollo. I got Pink's chili cheese dog. Yummy. Okay, we had some lunch. We are back inside the park. It's a little warm today. Woof! We are gonna go look at Halloween 3
Look at
maze
even
construction.
Marilyn Monroe's warm. Look
Ooh.
at her. She's like, I got parasol. It's too hot for this.
She's leaving right now, sad face. I love Marilyn Monroe. HHN stuff. These are where they put signs for the mazes. How long the wait time is, the title of the maze, yada yada yada. Only 10 minutes to go on the studio tour. We are gonna hit it up so we can get some HHN Terror Tram updates for y'all. 2 weeks away. We are excited.
September 7th.
Yeah, they're working on it right now.
September 9th. It's going to run every Thursday through Sunday up until the end of October.
Yay.
Norman Bates runs the motel.
Halloween is back.
He lives in this house at the top of the hill, and he lives with his mother, and she's home right now.
More
Mrs.
wood
Bates
on
is
this
sitting in
side.
a rocking chair, and she's staring out her bedroom window from the second floor. If you've seen Psycho, you're gonna recognize Mrs. Bates. Can you see her? That is a handsome woman. Look what happened
Whoa.
behind the Psycho house. An airplane crashed.
So, Mary and I just got off studio tour. Mary was right. That one maze is Pandora's box.
We saw it,
She was right.
but we couldn't film it because it was just so far back there. You
No,
know?
I turned off the camera. I didn't know there was going to be this big old hole at the other end.
Yeah,
but,
we didn't know
you
because all the walls were out.
Oh well, all good. All
But
good.
it said Pandora's box.
But Mary
what we
saw
showed
it.
you earlier.
Mary saw it. Yeah, the one that's next to the.
We'll show you a clip right
haunting
here.
on the hill. Blah blah blah.
Right here.
Yeah,
Clip.
we'll put it in. All right, now we are going to head to the
Get a
lower
squishy.
lot.
Hi everybody.
Squishy,
You're heading down the escalators.
but the lower lot. Everybody wants to go on the tour now, by the way.
Oh, I know.
The line
'Cause
for
everyone's
this.
getting tired.
Yeah, this is the longest line. Everything else is still pretty short. I would love to go on.
Universal hot tip: if you're here from out of town or out of state, do the. I almost said Terror Tramp. Do the studio tour first. The tram, do it first thing because nobody does this first thing. People want to hit up the rides first thing. Do this first thing because once the day goes on, people get tired and go, "Oh, an hour-long ride sounds nice."
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ooh, it's nice. All these plants right here.
Yeah, hot tip. Do
Hot tip.
studio tour first thing if you're from out of town.
We're going to get a squishy. It's nice and hot. Mmm, popcorn. Yum, 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 yum. Squishies. They're squishies?
Yeah, they're squishy.
Simpson squishies.
Is it? Are we good?
I don't know. Here, here's your
It's
straw.
approved.
Okay, we are gonna make our way to the lower lot. Got a nice little slushy right now. Perfect for this nice, warm, hot day. All right, more HHN updates. Down.
There's people inside the maze.
Ooh. Down here, Mary thinks Exorcist is gonna go down there.
Well, because logically, that's where it was last time. And by the way, I threw up in the Exorcist the last time we went through it. So I'm probably gonna throw up again in the maze.
Oh yeah,
Woo-ah.
because it smelled bad. And then they do the
Hey, look, they're going through
they
it right
do the
now.
conga line. When they do shift changes, they all of a sudden make you stop, and then you're stuck in there, and then it stinks. Check out Super Nintendo World. Cool. I think we're gonna go on Jurassic World. It's only a 15-minute wait right now.
You want to get wet.
Yeah, giggity. Hang on. There you are, Mary. Do 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 do. Hey. Very HHN vibes. Hey, look, it's her.
And help is on the way. In the meantime, please.
Rawr. Rawr. Get him, Blue. Get him, Blue. T-Rex, get him. Oh my God. We survived. We survived. Check out Super Nintendo World. Oh wow, totally excited for this. Today I wore some Nintendo or Mario Brother flair today, if you will. Rosalina tank top. And then look at more HHN stuff. Mary's on the other side over here trying to get the most she can. Look, she's being bad. She's walking all the way over there. I'm gonna go walk over there. Look at her. I don't know if you can see her. She's back there. She's back there. You see her, guys? There she is. Wait, she's waving. She's being bad. She's being bad. There she is. She's bad, man. She's a bad girl. Nah, she's just fun. Anyways, more HHN stuff right here. I wonder what that one was for then. Is there a hidden maze back there that we don't know about? Oh, look at, you can kind of see the warp pipe a little bit over here. Look. In case you're wondering.
I'm pretty sure this maze is Exorcist.
Yeah, Mary thinks this is the Exorcist maze right over there. Cool. Now we are gonna go on Transformers 3D Freedom Fighters. So, cannibalism, yeah. So Mary, we were looking over there and we saw this totem to the left of Transformers.
Which it would be for Texas Chainsaw
Yes.
because this, it's themed to Texas Chainsaw. They serve barbecue, which is what Bubba and the Sawyer family serve. But it's kind of gross since the barbecue is human parts. Cannibals.
Yeah, that's the story. Your souls are mine. We are going on the Mummy now. He thinks he's going to take our souls, but he's not. Because we'll just come back off the ride and go on it again. Anyways, it's a nice day. We're getting on every ride today. We've almost done all the rides down here. This is our last ride down here, and then we're gonna try to do some Harry Potter rides.
The Simpsons.
Yeah, we haven't done Simpsons yet. That's like the longest line today. It's like 35 minutes long. We'll see what it looks like when we go back up top. Maybe everybody's over it now. So we are now making our way to the upper lot. Where's Mary? There's Mary. Yeah, we've gone on every ride down there. This is a good day. It's a good day. Yeah, only a 20-minute wait for the Simpsons ride. We are going to do it. There's Krusty. Oh, this floor is so weird. The second you walk on it, all of a sudden squish it, squish it, squish it, squish it. Alright guys, we just got off the Simpsons. I think I've only been on that ride once. It's kind of sad. Mary here is going, I've been on it 50 million times. I went on it once and I remember thinking to my head, or actually out loud, I went, oh, it's a remodeled Back to the Future ride. It's kind of funny because we just went on it in the ride vehicles. I'm like, look, I could kind of see the DeLorean. Anyways, it's still a cool ride all in all though, but now we are in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and we are going to make our way towards the Forbidden Journey. Yeah, it's a good day. We only have like...
It's nice and breezy right now.
Yes,
It's been
it
hot
is.
today.
It's been hot. We only have like 2 more rides or 3 attractions we haven't gone on, and we might take off after that. It's a good day today. So, you guys, our donkey is way better than the one in Orlando. I looked at a picture for it. I mean, ours is a lot newer, but you know, ours is just holy cow. It's like night and day. We'll show you pictures of that donkey when we go out there, but you'll see.
There you come here. Oh my goodness, people, how have you been? It's been so long.
Yes, it has.
I was wondering when you'd come here. Talk to old Conrad.
Oh yes, we'll always return for Dracula.
Yes.
Yes.
May we get a picture with
Of
you?
course, of course.
Let's get a portrait. I love it.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
welcome.
It's wonderful seeing you.
It is, isn't it?
Yes.
It is.
Wonderful to see you.
What do you think about all of this?
I'm loving it. I'm loving it. You're assuming coming to
Yes.
Halloween Horror.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yes, now that they're honoring the life of the daughter of me, I can't believe it. It's going to be fun. So what are you excited for tonight?
Oh, I am most excited for The Bride of Frankenstein and Pandora's Box equally. Those are my top 2.
Have you seen the Pandora's before?
No, I haven't.
Ah, we had it a few years ago. That's
missed
why
that.
it was so successful. That's why they won.
Yes.
Excellent.
There's so many good monsters in Greek mythology.
All around there.
Yes.
And I think you might be surprised at what you'll see in that. And even this phase, it's more of a sequel.
Sequel.
It's what you'll see. You'll see as you go in.
Where are you? Mary's posting a story. So, we have gone on every single attraction today. We even did Forbidden Journey twice because there was no lines. Sometimes when you get off, the ride operators will go, you want to go in again? Just go around here. There's like a little bypass route. The only things we did not do today is the Kung Fu Panda attraction. That's the only thing we have not done. But we've done everything else. There's about an hour and 15 minutes left until the park closes. HHN Maze, Halloween 4, I believe. Right, Mary? Halloween 4? We thought it was Halloween 3 last time we were here, but then they all of a sudden went and changed it on us. We were hoping for Halloween 3, but that's okay. Halloween 4 is cool too. But next time, Halloween 3, guys? Yeah? The other side of the gate. The main arch. There's Mary. Look at, they got some HHN lights up. Ellipsodals, moving heads over there. This is where they used to have go-go dancers. Right over there.
Right there.
Right, yeah, right there.
They were
Right over
amazing.
yonder. They were amazing.
I miss miss go-go dancing.
Mary and I love go-go dancers.
Oh, I could take my mask off now.
Yes, you
forgot.
can.
I'm not inside anymore.
I was filming right here going, this is funny. I'm on the other side of the gate underneath the arch. The famous archway. Could end the video right here. Alright guys, we're signing off. Thanks for joining us so much on this long, full day journey at Universal Studios Hollywood. So excited for HHN. 2 weeks to go, guys. 2 weeks to go. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications because we got lots of videos coming your way. And thanks guys, hit that like button too. It really helps out the channel.
And we'll see you soon in the fog.
Yes, and a huge shout out to our Patreon supporters, Tom and Albert. Thanks guys so much. Oh, I know, Mary. Mask.